Hello guys, sharing you another Dubai spots for free. So I am with my favorite fambang, Herradura's family. So pumunta kami guys sa 25 Hours Hotel. So if you are 80s, 90s kids, definitely marirelate nyo to. Kasi from the vintage decor to little details that spark your childhood memories.
May typewriter, te.
Lalabas yung inner child nyo guys and the books. Pagpasok nyo yan, everywhere. Corner, sa center, kahit saan. So, whatever your favorite books, malay nyo, makita nyo dyan. So, balik-balik kayo hanggang matapos nyo. Or, in a whole day, matatapos nyo if you're really a bookworm. So, if you see guys, and then the architecture, the wall or ano ba yan? Ceiling na paint. Ganda. So, yan guys, it's the miniature stories na that inside their lift. So, yun. Marami ang mga lift nila, nakabukas lang siya, tapos meron siya mga miniatures. So, they have a free working space. And then yan guys, you see mga old things, old noon. Na parang, tawag nun, wala, magdadala ka nung mga bata pa kayo. I am a millennials, 1985. So kayo na bilang. So mga kabatch ko dyan. So see, ang TV, the old items guys. Ang galing nila. And they are posting also the old movies before na it's really good. Parang parang museum na aesthetics. So yun, ang ganda doon. It's for free. Take all the pictures you want. Ang bait din ng reception nila or mga a-assist sa'yo doon. Like, welcome to 25 Hours Hotel, ma'am. Yung parang walang magtatanong sa'yo, kakain or you don't need to purchase. You don't need to parang magkape, magkain pa lang. It's free. Gusto nga namin magkape but wag masyadong late guys kung gusto nyo magkape or anything dun kasi maaga silang nag-close eh. But meron kami nakita dun, may bar dun kasi may festival, diba, sa Diwali. So ang dami nila dun. But for us, we just enjoy, we chill it out. Chill lang kami dyan, tinignan namin, curious lang kami sa mga decorations nila. And we saw people also chilling, nanood lang ng movies, sa laptop nila. Nagdala sila your own, you can bring your own gadgets. Yung iba nag-edit nga ng nag-edit ng photos, ganun. And then they have space pag ayong ma-disturb. So ang ganda yan, parang basta maganda siya. So, wala lang guys. Nagsishare lang tayo para sinong mga naboboard dyan. So, I'm just lucky kasi kasama ko yung Herradura, may sasakyan sila. And then, if you have sasakyan, go to the basement, 15 dirhams una, and first hour, then 10 dirhams extra. Huwag kayo magpadala sa Bali Valley na 200 dirhams talaga. Na yun. So, ride taxi or metro kung gusto nyo. Kung grupo naman kayo. So, 'di ba? Ang ganda lang, guys. Come there, check. Chill all you want. The whole day kung gusto nyo. So, yan. Bring the era of 80s to 90s. Feels really nostalgic. Plus, bonus, guys. Free water. O, 'di ba? Mamili ka. So, guys, sa may mga time dyan, just check there, 25 Hours Hotel. Thank you.